2.3 slope. Okay, when you have 2 points on a line, we call them x1, y1 and x2, y2. The slope between two points on a line, the formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so for part 1, to find the slope between -2, 3 and 5, 7, that's x1, y1, that's x2, y2. So the slope is the letter M, would be 7 minus 3 over 5 subtract -2. 5 subtract -2 turns to 5 plus 2, so that's 4 over 7. And what that looks like as a graph, -2, 3 means left 2, up 3. 5, 7 means right 5, and up 7. A slope of 4 over 7 means from point 1, from the left point, you go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Example B. -2, 3, and 5, -1. We always call these x1, y1, x2, y2. The slope here would be -1 minus 3. x2 is 5, subtract x1 is -2. That becomes plus, so that's -4 over 7. And what that looks like, -2, 3 is left 2, up 3. 5, -1 is right 5, down 1. Okay, so a slope of -4 over 7 means go down 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and that line falls because it goes down. In part A, that line rises because it went up. Example C, 2, 4, and 5, 4. That's x1, y1, x2, y2. The slope, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So that gives us a slope of 0. And what that looks like, 2, 4 is right 2, up 4. 5, 4 is right 5, up 4. Okay, that is a horizontal line. Okay, 2, 4, and 2, 5. The slope here would be y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Anything divided by 0 is undefined. And let's see what that looks like. 2, 4, right 2, up 4. 2, 5 is right 2, up 5. Okay, and so that is our vertical line. The next thing that we do is to write the equation of a line. The equation of the line has two different forms. First, we're going to find what's called the point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. x1, y1 is our point, and m is our slope. Okay, so example 1, write the equation of the line with a slope of 3, so that's m, that goes through the point 2, 5, so that's x1 and y1. Okay, so we're just going to plug in those three numbers. y1 is 5, m is 3, x minus x1 is 2. Okay, that's called the point slope form. Now the second part that MyMathLab will ask you is the slope-intercept form. To get slope-intercept, you solve for y, which means get y by itself. So first we distribute the x, or 3 times x, 3 times 2, and then we add 5. So 3x minus 1 is called the slope-intercept form. The first thing is the point slope. In example 2, write the equation of a line through 2, 5 and 4, 13. Okay, well we don't have the slope here, so we need to find that first. This is x1 and this is y1. This is x2 and this is y2. So the slope is y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Subtract, and that's a nice division, the whole number 4. Okay, so now we can find our point slope using y minus y1 is 5 equals m4, x minus x1 is 2. Okay, so that's the point slope form. For the slope intercept, we solve for y. So to get y by itself, we first need to distribute the 4. Then we're going to add 8. Okay, so there is our slope-intercept form. Okay, that's the point slope. That's the slope-intercept. It's two forms of the same line. Okay, example 3, write the equation through 2 points that are a special equation. Anytime you have the same number in the same spot, it's a special equation. So both of those y's are 5. That means y is always 5, no matter what x is. Okay. What about where the x's are the same? What if they have the same x's? Okay, so this equation would be x equals 3. Okay, and that should have been example 4. Example 5, a vertical line that goes through 3, 2. Okay, the best thing to do is to plot the point 3, 2, which means right 3 up 2. Okay, now a vertical line goes this way, up and down. So that's the point 3, 2. Let's look at this point right here. That's over 3 up 4. So we can see that all those x's are 3. Okay, so these are special equations that are vertical or horizontal. What about a horizontal line that goes through 3, 2? Okay, plot 3, 2, right 3, up 2. Here is a horizontal line that goes across. Okay, let's plot the point right beside it and name that point right beside it. Okay, so our first one was 3, 2. The one right beside it would be 4, 2 because it's right 4 up 2. So we can see here that all those points have 2 in the y. So y equals 2 is that answer. And that's the end of the lesson.